CCTV 101, Installation and Application Guidelines for MPX cabling, or also known as CVI. What do I need to install my security cameras? MPX, Cat5e cable, valens, power supply, mounting accessories such as arms or back boxes, a router with internet access, and common tools such as screwdrivers, wire strippers, drill, test tool, etc. HD analog cabling, or otherwise known as MPX CVI, can use RG59 coax cable for the video and an 18.2 for the power, or a Siamese cable where they're combined, or my preferred method, Cat5e or Cat6 cabling, which is smaller diameter and lower cost. These different types of cabling use different types of connectors. With RG59, or the coax, I use the B&C connector. And a B&C connector is a push and turn connector that locks into place in the back of the DVRs or on the cameras. In the case of the Cat5e or Cat6, we use RJ45 connectors. They're typically used for Ethernet or internet or computer networking. These types of valens that we use with these, in the case of an RJ45 terminal, break out to a B&C to go to the camera or DVR, and of course a power connection as well. There are push terminal valens. These valens allow you to use a single pair and use one of each of the conductors just to run the video over. Understanding voltage drop when running your power over valens. 12 volt DC, as shown here, will have voltage drop, so the input voltage must be higher than, of course, the voltage required of the camera, because we'll get a voltage drop based on longer distances. So always pay attention to what we're using, and of course the type of valen, and calculate that voltage drop that's required. Always maintain the same polarity on all components. So there's video valen polarity, but there's also power polarity when we're dealing with 12 volt DC. No polarity issues with 24 volt AC, of course. But keep this in mind when you're doing your connections. Make sure that everything's running correctly, and of course remember this when you're trying to do your troubleshooting if something isn't working. Here's a typical diagram of how a system might be wired. So on the top left we have a DVR, and from that we have 4 coax connectors or B&C connectors off this 4-channel valen. This 4-channel valen is a power video valen and has 3-foot cables that go to the DVR. It also has 3-foot cables that are in the orange wired over to a power supply. This is an ASCO 4-channel UPS power supply that will provide your 12 volt DC up to 5 amps. Then you run a Cat5e cable from each one of those ports on that 4-channel valen out to a single valen that takes and breaks out the power and the video to the camera. And of course you do that 4 times for each of the cameras. Thanks a lot from West Rep Solutions.